These are two axolotls we got from Pipeline Creek. They're fantail golds. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Here's some ember tetras. These just came in. These are some new pike cichlids that just came in and some geos. There's a pajama cardinal. There's also a goby, a mandarin goby in here somewhere. Well, hello. Come right on in. You're at Father Fish. So welcome to our new shop. We're gonna do a hard opening on September the 1st. So we've got a little better than a week to get things finished up and be able to open for business. So we're shooting for that target date right now. This is our main showroom. We have about 1, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, almost 30 tanks. We have 10-gallon tanks set up with species of fish in each one. There are 20 of these, and then a few larger tanks. These are some new pike cichlids that just came in and some geos. A few other fish here. So that's kind of it. There are shrimp in here with otocinclus and a few rubber lips. So we're just kind of testing it out and hoping that the ottos don't eat the baby shrimp. We're going to find out. If they do, they are going to have to come out. But we've got maybe 25, 30 shrimp in here that were raised in our vats. Here's some ember tetras. These just came in. So this is our pond. Splash some water over here. Let's get these guys coming out where we can see them. We have some very large goldfish in here. They're fantail golds. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And then some other things. There's some shabunkin. We have it planted pretty heavily.
Can you see them?
Yeah, I've got one here coming out. There they are.
Like right there.
Right down. There's 3 of them in here, 3 big ones. And we're doing a real mix in here. We've got, it's fairly cold. It's in the low 70s, high 60s. So we can't put warm water fish in, but we can cold water, and we're planting it heavily. Now, the duckweed is food for the goldfish, and that is preventing them from trying to eat all the plants. So long as we have duckweed in here, we'll be able to grow plants in here. Now you can see there are a lot of plants planted. None of them are torn up. None of them are floating. It's been this way for nearly a week now. So we're looking pretty good with this system. We put a few saltwater fish in here. The salinity is up to about 1.2, about 20. So hopefully they'll be all right. We'll see. There's a pajama cardinal. He's looking pretty good. There's a, even though this is a brackish tank out of the Chesapeake Bay, we're not being purists about it because there are too many really pretty fish that we like and want to try in here. There is also somewhere, oh, there he is back there. Just barely see it, a royal grama. He's hiding back there. There's also a goby, a mandarin goby in here somewhere. So this thing's looking pretty good. Looking real good. We're real pleased with it. Okay, this is Corey and this is Brenda.
Hello.
Brenda, what are you working on?
Right now it's just dropping off supplies. I mainly work on the plant tanks, maintaining the tanks, making sure we have enough inventory for all the orders. At night I come back and I've been replanting the tanks that are here, make sure there's plenty of plants in there for the fish.
Nice.
Trying to keep everything running.
Yeah, and doing a good job too. She's, without Brenda, I do not have a business here. She's absolutely critical. So when we have a problem, it's a serious problem. Corey.
Yes, sir.
What are you cleaning tanks? Always a good thing to do.
Always a good thing.
Right. So say something about you being here and what your current level of activity is and what you're looking to do.
I don't actually know my job title.
Well, just say something.
Hi guys, my name's Corey Atkins. I work here at Filing Fish Aquarium, and I am a jack of all. I do a little bit of everything and never do nothing. So I'm happy to be here. It's been a pleasure being with Lou and learning everything. I still have a long way to go, but I'm very optimistic, and I can't wait for the store open to meet all of you guys.
Yeah, it's
If
going
it
to be
weren't for
fun.
you, none of us would be here. So we appreciate you all very, very much. We love you, and we send you blessings for a good day and a good weekend.
Amen to that. And then this area is our plant area. These are some tanks that the girls have set up with turtles and axolotls. I have to show you the axolotls. These are 2 axolotls we got from Pipeline Creek last fall. They're doing really well. We don't have eggs yet, so hoping to get eggs. There's some algae in here need to pull out. We will be selling brine shrimp, live adult brine, and blackworms. We have blackworm culture. These are plant vats, and we have 2 axolotls that we have found in here that grew out from eggs that Pipeline Creek sent us last spring. We don't know that I'll be able to find one. They're pretty good size. They're about, I guess, 6 inches. Yep, I just felt one. Or maybe it was a goldfish. Yep, there we go. There's one right there. I found the little one.
Did you?
That's the smaller one.
Oh, the axolotl? Yep, there he is.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Looking good.
So they have grown up in here. These are all the plants. So it will be possible. These are snails. These are nearite snails, guys. So put them where you want them. So it'll be possible for walking customers to walk down these aisles and select the plants they would like. There are 50 or so species of plants right now. What all that is, this is our pack up area where everything gets packed up and shipped out. And there we have it. There's our business in a nutshell. Anyone who's on the eastern shore of the United States, kind of midway between Maine and Florida, is welcome to come visit us. We're right outside of Ocean City, Maryland, in Salisbury, a nice little town with lots of very sweet little towns kind of all over the shore. We're excited to be here. We will be the only fish store within 50 miles. So we're looking to cover a lot of territory and get a lot of folks coming in. All right, there we have it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to join the show. Check out our store, our online store, and we'll see you all on either our show and tell Wednesday night or our open forum on Sunday nights. Love you all. Bye for now.